This is a critical time in our nation's history. I want to take this opportunity to commend and thank all the members of the Ministry of National Security team involved in fighting crime and a health epidemic on the front line. The members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, members of the Jamaica Defense Force, members of the Passport, Immigration and Citizens Agency, working with the Ministry of Health in the case of the COVID outbreak, but at all times in the front line defending Jamaicans. I want to pay respect for the professionalism and commitment of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, our premier law enforcement agency, which is on the front line at all times in both cases of violence against individuals, communities, and the activities of gangsters throughout Jamaica. I want to recognize the effort they have put on the front line in the areas of violence and outbreak of this insidious disease currently with us from COVID-19. I want to express the appreciation of a grateful nation and a thank you from the Ministry of National Security and this government. Your effort is not only laudable, we recognize the sacrifice and taking personal risks and risks which even extended to your family. We recognize the stress it brings on and want to assure you that the Ministry of National Security will in fact provide you with whatever is required for your personal safety. But beyond that, as you continue the struggle to protect our country, I want to express again the appreciation and thanks of a grateful nation. Thank you.